Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to learn how to turn a Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be using these old broken headphones, these old broken AirPods to make headphones wireless, because if you are tired of having to deal with something like this, like what is this, because of too much bending. That's the reason for the season. That was not funny, I know. So stick around if you want to learn how I did that. Stick around if you want to learn how I'm going to do that. Sorry, I made a mistake. So what I have now here is an earphone jack and earphone jack adapter. So what we're going to do is use a multimeter. Use a multimeter like so, the wires and stuff like that, to test which one is the left, right, ground, and mic. So let me just show. So as you can see, this is how it's supposed to be. This is the left, this is the left, this is the positive end of the left mic, this is the end of the left speaker. This one is the positive end on the right one. This one is for the mic, and this last one is for ground, which is here. This last one is for ground, also like this. It's the middle one that is generally for ground. That one, this is a mistake. The middle one is generally for ground. So with this, we're going to use our multimeter to check if both are still working. So first, I'm gonna connect our multimeter. As you can see, I love using my multimeter because using a multimeter is actually kind of very fun. That's it. So now, first thing we're going to do is first connect it. Get our multimeters ready. And now what we're going to do is set our multimeter to continuity, because what continuity does is that it picks up those low voltage coming from if those wires are connected, if they are connected together, it picks those low voltage up, just like so. This sign generally, this buzzer signal. Some multimeters add these buzzer signals to make it continuity, while some are separate. So I'm going to set it up to continuity, and if you use that, the buzzer is going to make sound. How you know is first touch the two ends of the probes together. Get one loud sound, one loud buzzer. It's the buzzer that's doing that. The positive end is touching the negative end, that's why it's making minus. You see? So what we're going to do is test. This is ground, this one is ground. So first touch and see. Oops, that's not clear. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, here the buzzer. So now the next one is we're going to check the left audio. The left one is here. This is it right here. The left one is here. So we're going to touch all the pins to see which one will make a buzzing sound. This one does not. Okay, as you can see, it's making that sound. This is for the right audio. You see, if I touch any other one, it's not going to work. As I touch this middle one, Now this is for the mic. You see, it does not work unless I touch this end. Now you see. And now, so once again, I'll show it to you one more time. You see over here, you see, you can see ground, left, right. So you can just go to your web browser and just write, go to your web browser and just search earphone jack wiring diagram. You can find it, so I can leave the image down description below. So the next thing we're going to need is a battery. Set your voltmeter or multimeter to voltage, direct current, and this is the positive end and this is the negative end. So I'm going to, the wire is a little bit short, as you can see. It does not want to touch well. Wait. As you can see, voltage is about 3.9, 2.3.9 or 3.8, around 3.9. You can use 3.7, 3.6 is okay. So this one is going to need the AirPod. We don't need this because the batteries are not good. The battery is no longer good. What we need is this itself. This is what we need. And as you have already seen it, this is actually the left ear. So this I'm going to do act as the left speaker. And I'm going to take this one apart too. Be careful when taking it apart. You don't want to damage anything. Okay, I'm just gonna take the batteries. Okay. Get a scissors and that's already disconnected from this speaker. We don't need the case. The next thing we're going to need is this. You can find it in your AirPod. This is the AirPod charger. This is the AirPod charging module. So it's going to be used to charge the battery. So we're going to need that. So what we're going to do now is get some wires and get it some earpiece. Okay guys, as you all can see now, I've connected all my wires together. I've soldered everything. You can see from here, this goes to the charging port. This is the charging port for charging. This are connected to the battery. This, everything I showed you how I'm supposed to connect everything. This is an external mic. I'm going to make it come outside so I can talk and I can make it louder. And let me just show you how it is. Let me just make it. So now I want to make the case. I want to make a case for it. But I was thinking, since I used old AirPods, how about I just use the case? Yes, that came as a brilliant idea, but this fits like so. But the battery is where the problem comes. It can't fit very well. Right. Yeah, the battery can't fit well. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm going to just reuse the case. Let me just reuse the case as to keep everything inside. I don't have a 3D printer to make it a 3D printed case. I don't have time to. I don't know how to use those. I'm I'm not good with woodwork. Yeah, I'm ever saying if I don't even know the fuck I'm saying anymore. Like, guys. So just stick around and I guess I should stop talking my videos. Like, I'm just going to buy time because so my heat gun can heat up very well. And I guess I should really stop. So let me just wait until it heats up so I can glue everything. Okay, so now guys, as you can see, I have glued everything. Now what's left for me to do now is just cover it. I glued it up. You can use anything you want. What's left for me now is to use PVC that I have left over to just make the lid to cover it up. So let me just add the okay. So now let me change. Now I'm just going to cut it out. So I already cut it out, so I'm just going to sand it down. So as you guys can see, I cut out the hole and I've done it. Now all that's left for me is to just glue. So guys, as you can see, this is how it looks like after I've done the cover and glued it all up. And so what we're gonna do is just connect your earpiece like this. And remember guys, don't push it all the way in, because if you want it to become as loud as you want, you don't want it to go all the way in. And now we're just gonna hold this, which is also the power button. As you can see, they're both turning on. And now what we're gonna do is just go over here and as you can see, still connected. I'm not connected yet, so I'm just gonna go on my phone and search for new devices. And as you can see, here it is. Let's tap on it. As you can see, it's connected. So now I'm just gonna go over and play some music. So I can show you guys how it looks. See, you can hear parts from here. See? I'm just pausing and adjust the camera. Resume. See? Here guys, let's go. See, if I push it all the way in, it's not going to be loud. So if I really sit back on, so that's how you make it. As you guys can see, that's how you make it. See, I'm not joking about it. It's actually working very well. So hit that like. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more videos. Share, comment, like, and don't forget to actually comment and tell me what other crazy things I should build. And your subscription keep me going and help me grow my channel. So thank you. I love you all. Keep subscribing and keep watching my videos. Thank you.